Good afternoon, everybody. I've chosen to use Screencastify Lite today for a few different reasons. First, this acts as an example of an appropriate educational technology that you could use to support what you were saying during your presentation of Assignment 4 for EDT 672. Also, it is a commonly used and recognized project planning tool in both business and academia. I'll come back to an explanation of this in just a moment. Also, not only would you be using a project planning tool for our current course, you'll be using it again in October later this year when you are doing the SPF 689 course. And that'll spill over into the final course, the EDU 690, where you'll be defending your dissertation, and potentially you could use Screencastify Lite for a part of that. But most likely you would be using a project planning tool like the Gantt chart. So we'll go back to the Gantt chart now. As you can see on the screen, here is the Gantt chart that I used for my SPF 689 when I completed the master's program. Here in this column, you see a description of each of the tasks. So of course, when I was doing my action research project, I collected some secondary research initially. I then collected some primary research. I analyzed that data, and then I wrote the final report. In these two columns, you can see the start date and the finish date. And I'll be providing you with a template which will automatically calculate the progress or how far through that task you are. And then to the further to the right, you can see that you've got a calendar here where you'll be able to fill in colors in the background here that will show which tasks overlap, the full duration of the project, and of course, the completion date. Now, if you don't want to have your face up on the screen here like I do, there are features in Screencastify Lite that will allow you to remove that. Screencastify Lite is a free software that you can find on the Chrome Web Store. And if you need any help installing that, we can certainly help you out with that. So I am going to close this off for now. We'll continue to discuss in real time, and then ultimately you'll have an opportunity to practice creating a Gantt chart today.